Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. To access the air filter, you must first remove the air inlet conduit. To do this, pull the first part of the conduit to disconnect it from the resonator. Then remove it by pulling on it. Using a Torx T25 screwdriver, unscrew the two screws holding the air filter cover. Do not try to extract them. They're meant to stay in their slots. Remove the flange. Take out the air filter.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Ensure that the rubber washer goes into the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. Replace the flange, positioning it correctly. Screw the Torx screws back in. Put the resonator back in place. Reconnect the air in the duct. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.